What's going on, everyone? I'm First Games and I'm finally back with a new video on this channel. You maybe know that I already made two Cape tutorials, which is outdated, and an updated one, but in German. Today I'm making an English version of the German video because YouTube user Tyrus Supersonic asked, or better, he just told me that he couldn't understand the video, or at least what I'm saying in this video. I just asked him if I should make a new version or an English version of this German video, and it was just like, yes, please do it, thanks in advance, however. And yes, now here I am. What you need for this tutorial is an image. Doesn't really matter which image, you can use any image you want, but only if it is not in high definition or in high quality image. So this image right here should be perfect. Let me just show you. Oh, since when does it open then up automatically with paint on that? I'm a bit wondered because usually it should open it up with this one, Windows Photo Viewer. But yes, this image should be good. But anyways, let's just open up the other three images as well. You will need them if you don't really know, or if you don't, yes, just if you don't really know how wide and how long an image has to be to fit perfectly on one side of a cape. For this I just made a completely black cape here, and a cape corner, and a completely empty cape side. This one has exactly the exact amount of pixels, which has 1/2 of this entire cape, which means if we would put this entire thing onto this cape, you should have a transparent side of your cape and a non-transparent one. I hope it made a bit sense what I just said there. But anyway, let's just select your entire image or this part you want to have on your cape. Then paste it here in the half cape and resize it so it perfectly fits on your image. Of course you can well, edit it as long until it would look like kind of like this, so not like a rectangle like this one. But if I would do this in this video, it would be way too long, and I guess you don't really want a long video to watch. What I think you want is a quick short tutorial. So, but anyways, let's just, after resizing it, select it once again, copy it, and paste it right here, and hit enter. Now you're done. But in case if your cape crashes, it doesn't even need to crash your own console. But if you join a server with this cape, it maybe could happen that the view of the host of the server crashes. So, or if you're on your own server using this cape and people are joining your server while you have this cape, or you just like this game with this cape while they're on the server, their view will freeze or crash. If you don't want this to happen, just grab yourself this cape corner and paste it right here and hit enter again. I don't really know why this is even a thing, but on my own crash cape this one really worked. I didn't really even want it to be a crash cape, it just simply suddenly didn't crash anymore after I just put this cape corner on there. But yes, it is how it is. If you want, you can just, oh, damn, I don't want to save it. Now I've got it. Of course you can just put another half cape on it, just like that, so it doesn't have the exact same size. Well, let me just, well, what, it doesn't even really matter. We just wait. Should work like that too. I thought I fixed that, but looks like I didn't. But trust me, it works. I also already did like this one. So just which I also once just copied them right next to each other, and it also didn't crash, and it worked. Let's just get escape corner again and put it right here and press enter again. Now I'm finished with my cape. Nope. And this, now just save it. I'll just save it to the desktop. And I'll just call it Creeper Face Cape. Pretty simple name. Now just close paint.net. Now I don't want to save, just because it won't need it in this tutorial anymore. Now we have our cape right here. Now just open up PCK Studio. I didn't want to open this one. I wanted to open this one. I'll create a new skin pack. We all know how to create a skin. If you don't know, you really should watch other skin modding, Minecraft console skin modding videos, or watch my previous videos. Now just get yourself a skin texture and a cape, or at least this cape we just created. See, PCK Studio doesn't tell you that it isn't a cape file. It is a cape file, and yes, so you won't get any errors with this. You create skin, and here you have your skin with the cape path, and you also can just control it. If you take a look in the entry data, the name should be exactly the same like the name of your cape right here. If this is not the case, rename the cape or the cape path right here, and then it will work. Alright, that's already it. That was a short video. But anyways, I hope you liked and enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, and if you don't want to miss any of this kind of videos anymore, just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell as well. And if you have some feedback or some ideas for me for new videos, just post them in a comment. I hope to see you in my next video once again. Goodbye everyone, and have a nice day.